Hello, welcome back to Himalayan singing bowl and trading Pokhara, Nepal. So today I have a demonstration about the 55 centimeter master ball, which is made by hands, and all the beautiful handcraft Hanka art inside. So this is 22 inch in size, 56 centimeter in centimeters. So this is a very beautiful handmade 7 metal mother ball. This is a huge size, and they always have a deep tone, so they always have a second octave. But there can be always the different tone, but actually they are deep grounding, so they always have the deeper tone. So most of the time they are always second octave. But the ball, when they manufacture, we don't know what the tone they're gonna produce the sound, but after that we will check all the detail of the ball. So everything made by hands and handcraft. This is all the Thanka art. You can also see in other videos in our YouTube how this the art will be done by hand. So even inside we have a very nice footprint, and outside we have a beautiful the crafting. And this is actually the master size. So actually this is American foot size. So with me here in Nepal we have a Nepali foot size, so that's quite small. But any person has a big feet, this will be suitable, and you can always do yourself the sound therapy. This is also very good for your feet, for your knee and all these problems. Very nice and deep tone, and they sound for very long. And we also have the black strikers that you can play them very soft way. The very important things they have a stable sound and stay very long. Everything is possible. Like if you don't like the design or the craft inside and outside, there is also possibility to have a different colors, but plain one, also handmade but plain one, just no design and nothing outside and inside. But actually they looks more beautiful with the craft inside, everything made by hand. So they have a lot of meaning with these mantras and this craft, the flowers, and even here we have a cross bajra. This is very good for energy healing. If you already have the set of 7, I think this is the best option to go one step higher, to have this beautiful experience for your people. And this is very nice for standing. And also the most important things, I'm going to put water inside. So let's show you how the water will vibrate. You can always use low water, cold or hot water. That will be very good for your feet if you have any problems. Very nice. If you have problems with your eyes, this is also very nice. If you just back in water and look at them continuous, so it's going to be really beautiful and nice. Thank you very much for the watching. Tune on Himalayan singing bowl and trading Nepal for authentic handmade products. Thank you.